Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to add your Google Calendar to Notion in 2025. If you're juggling multiple schedules and apps, this integration will streamline your life, letting you view and manage everything in one place. It's easier than ever with the latest updates, so let's jump right in. First, ensure you have a Google account and a Notion workspace set up. Start by heading to your Google Calendar on a web browser. Click the gear icon in the top right for settings, then navigate to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll find an option to generate an embed code or iCal link. Go ahead and copy that. Next, open your Notion app or website and create a new page or edit an existing one. Look for the plus button to add a new block and select Embed from the options. Paste the link you copied from Google Calendar into the Embed field. Notion will automatically detect it and display your calendar. If it doesn't work right away, double-check that your Google Calendar is set to public or shared appropriately. One common hiccup in 2025 is permission issues due to enhanced privacy settings, so make sure you've granted Notion access if prompted. Once embedded, you can customize the view, adjust the size, refresh rate, or even add multiple calendars by repeating the process. That's it, you're now synced and ready to conquer your day. This setup saves time and keeps you organized, whether for work, school, or personal goals. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.